Hi everyone, today I'm very excited to share that the static LittleTekPro website is live, and you can access this website is LittleTekPro github.io, and this website is going to help to find all the video content what we discussed already for the Tomcat and MySQL in one place, and the study materials or the documents in one place, and you can get those details from the GitHub. Previously, I used to share any documents or any SQL database from the Google Drive, which is so from here directly from the GitHub. You can clone it or you can download it and use it for your practice. So let me give a quick walkthrough about this website, how you can use it in your daily life when you are following my videos for any MySQL or Tomcat. So let's get started. So first is the intro section, is we talk about what is website. Then second is the live video. So if you go to the live video section, what are the video we already created, like MySQL and Tomcat, and if you click on this learn more button, so it will take you to the video section. So all the videos what we have done so far for MySQL, there is 10 videos basically. If I click on this icon basically it will take you directly to the YouTube site, and it will start the videos. So and you can start using that one. And same way for the Tomcat. Then next is, let's go to the main page. The next is the upcoming videos. Basically we're going to talk about Git, Postman, Jenkins, data structure, HTML, CSS. These are some of the topic which is lined up after MySQL. Then next is the practice session. So if I scroll down the practice session, click on again learn more button. So the sample database, basically what are the MySQL we have so far discussed. These are the databases. It is under the schema here, and you could see these are the databases: account, volume, album, e-commerce, MyWorld, and SQL_org. So all these databases, now if I open a new tab, and it will directly take me to the GitHub page. You could see it here, and this is the repo. So directly what you can do, directly go to the code and you can do download zip, and it will download all the files, or you can clone it. Basically you can copy this link and go to the editor. So if I do clear, then suppose I want to clone it into my documents folder. So I need to go to, let me see where I am now. So let me do, now I'm in documents. So what the command is git clone, then you can paste it, that one. So once you do it, it will clone it. So like this it will clone. So if I go to my document folder now, so you see it's downloaded and it's today's date. So if I click on this, now if you see, if I expand this, all this data has been what are the databases, basically all you could see it here. So you could utilize those SQL in your practice. So this is where it's going to help you. And also you can fork it. Currently I don't have that option. This is not active because I am the owner of this repo. So that's why it says cannot fork, you own this repo, because that's why this option is not available. But for you guys, this button should be active, so you can fork it and start using this. So let me know if you have any problem by downloading or forking this one or cloning this data while using in MySQL. Next is in this website is the last one is the weekly highlights. Basically this one talks about the people who are watching the videos and giving the valuable comments. Like someone was asking how to execute the database without executing. There is an explain command. So those type of who gives valuable comments, or some of the question asked by the viewer of this video, those will be published under these sections, and you could see what are some of the valuable comments here. Those are published in this website. So weekly basis, I'll find out some of the comments which is more interesting and people could learn something from them. or I'm going to publish those in the website. So that's pretty much about this website, guys. So I'll come up with the next video how to insert, update, delete data into the MySQL. So stay tuned. Thank you so much. If this video is useful to you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. It means a lot to me. Thank you. Namaste.